Hello guys, my name is Chetan Singh. Today I am here to solve an lead code problem. Question number 28. Find the index of the first occurrence in a string. So here we have given in two strings, needle and haystack. We have to return the index of the first occurrence of needle in haystack or -1 if needle is not part of haystack. So in input one, as you can see this example, haystack equal to sad but sad and needle equal to sad. So first occurrence of sad in haystack is at 0 index. So we have written index 0. In question number 2, example number 2, haystack equal to lead code and needle is lead 2. So lead 2 did not occur in lead code. So we have to return -1. Constraint haystack dot length and needle dot length. Both string length should be greater than 1 and smaller than 10 raised to power 4. And haystack and needle consist of only lowercase English character. This is already given in constraint. So simply I've here taken an if condition. If haystack dot contain needle, if inside haystack needle is present, we will return the haystack index of needle. It will return the first occurrence of needle in haystack. Else we have to return -1. So as we run this code, you can see all test cases are passing. And as we submit this code, we beat 100% user with Java. So this is the code according to the question. And uh, in this dot contain and index of are the methods of strings, where contain show that if this string is any kind of variable letter is present inside it or not, and index of return the index of that element. So this is the code according to the question. If you have any doubt regarding this question, you can comment it down in comment section. Thank you.